Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Hard Rock Bait app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the wallet or account icon, usually at the bottom right of the screen. This is where you can manage deposit and withdrawals. In your wallet, look for the withdraw option and tap it. This will take you to the withdrawal screen. Select how you want to receive your money. You might see options like bank transfer, PayPal or card. Pick the method that works best for you. Type in the amount of money you want to withdraw. Make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance. Tap submit or confirm. You may need to verify your identity or enter your security code if prompted. The app will then process your withdrawal. Withdrawals can take a few hours to a few days depending on the method. Check your bank or payment account to see when the amount arrives. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn funds from the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.